Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. Today's the lecture number 11. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about frames and grid, two powerful Canva features that help you to create professional looking design in just few clicks. Whether you are designing social media post, photo cloud, YouTube thumbnail, product catalog, or presentation, frames and grid can save you a lot of time while making your design look clean and organized. By the end of this lecture, you will know what are frames, what are grids, the difference between frame and grids, how to add image to frame and grids, how to customize them, professional design tips. Let's begin. So, firstly, I will open my Canva. Now, click on Templates. I will select my template. I will select two posters. Create a blank page. Before starting anything, let me tell you what are Canva frames. Frames are the placeholder that allow you to insert photos or videos into different shapes. Instead of cropping images manually, simply drag and drop image into frame. Canva automatically fits. Frames come in many shapes, such as circle, square, triangle, rectangle, heart, full moon, laptop, TV, customized shapes, etc. Frames make your design more creative and visually appealing. Now, how to find frames? It's a question. Click on Element from the left side toolbar. Scroll down or type frame. I will scroll down. So drag Canva. You can choose any frame in Canva, like I will choose circle, not circle. In our previous lecture, we already select circle. I will choose this frame. Let me set according to my now frame is ready to use. How to add photos in a frame? Adding photo is very easy. There are two methods. First is open your photo tab, drag your photo directly into frame. Second is upload your image, drag into frame. We will select image from our photo tab. We will select image of what we will select? We will select C. Taken photos, and I will choose this. And we also said this shape by ourselves if we want. Like I have select by my shape according to my size, can automatically drop your image and fit into your selected shape. Edit frame, like I am editing my frame according to my need. You can also edit your frame. What you can do, you can resize a frame, rotate it, duplicate it, fit it, change the position, add shadows or effects. Let me add effects. Now, this effect is somehow good. Replace the image without deleting the frame. This makes frame perfect and refusable templates. Now, second is, what are Canva grids? Firstly, let me explain you, then we will start. Grids are ready-made layouts that divide your canvas into multiple sections. Unlike frame, which hold one image each, grids are designed to organize multiple images neatly. Grids are commonly used for photo collage, Instagram posts, product showcase, fashionable cloth, catalog, travel album, before and after comparison, or team introduction. How to find frames? Click on Elements. Okay. Search for frame or scroll down. I will scroll down. Select your layout you want to drag into your design. Let me open separate page. And I will select my design. Okay. You will see the different layouts, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. Now, how to add images? Same. There are two methods. You can upload image or select. I will select from all elements. Now, I will select college student. Not student, student. Okay. Now click on graphics. Look, this image is not for this frame. I think, yeah, weather. Let me, I think, weather. Now I will simply select the weather and graphics. I don't, photos. Now, firstly, I will add this, and let me select one more, and this one. Now you can adjust your photo, but my photos is already adjusted. Now, one of the main question is difference between frame and grids. What are the difference between frame and grids? Frame hold one image, grids hold multiple image. Difference number 1. Difference number 2, frame create shapes, grids organize layout. Difference number 3, great or unique designs, great for photo collection. Difference number 4, ideal for logo, posters, thumbnail, ideal for collage and catalog. Tips: use frame when you want aesthetic shape and grids when you need clean structured layout. Okay. Professional use of frame and what are the professional use of frame and grid? Anyone knows? Not? Okay, no problem. I will tell you. Frame and grids are widely used by professional designers. Include frame for YouTube thumbnail, Instagram stories, design, product, mockup, profile picture, design, and creative poster. Grids, product catalog. Grids are used for product catalog, fashion, lookbook, restaurant menu, travel album, team presentation, before and after design. What are the common mistakes that everyone do? Especially beginners, using a low-quality image, scratching images too much, mixing different images style, leaving uneven spacing, overcrowding the design. Keep a layout balance and use high resolution for best image. Today's lecture, we have learned what are frames. Okay, how to insert image into frame, how to edit and replace frame image, auto grids, how to create photo collage using grids, difference between frame and grids, professional tips using both feature effectively. So thank you so much for watching this lecture. Now it's your turn. Open your Canva and create one design using a frame, one photo using a grid. Practice is the best way to master these tools. In 12th lecture, we will learn about photos, Canva photos, videos, not just photos, and discover how to use high-quality media to make your designs even more engaging. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. Allah Hafiz.